And we are back again. Herbs in Ramadan are of great importance to those who are fasting, as they help them achieve a comfortable fast and also contribute to treating many symptoms and discomforts. Herbs are widely used in this holy month, and their uses and forms are varied, including drinks and foods, as well as their use in preparing food in general. Herbal treatment is considered one of the most widely used types of alternative medicine, and it is very famous in the Arab countries due to its distinctive results. To talk more about this subject, we are pleased to have with us today Dr. Qutaibah Alfarhan, alternative medicine consultant. Hello and good morning.
Good morning to you.
Almost not pronouncing your name correctly. It's because of the coughing. All right.
You have a coffee problem, huh?
Yes. So, Dr. Qutaibah, let's talk about alternative fasting. Now, for alternative medicine, not only in Ramadan, of Ramadan, people fast for their benefits.
Yes.
So tell us about fasting.
Fasting, it's when you remove the food from your body, deprive your cells from the food. So your cells will look for the food. So what they do is they will start to break down the sick cells. When you are sick, what's sick inside you? It's your sick cells. So the weak and the sick cells will be broken down and recycled, and the toxins inside them will be expelled out of your body. For your detoxing,
yes,
you're breaking down the bad cells, and you're rebuilding your body. So people who fast, they look younger.
They look younger.
Yes, it's an anti-aging method.
Of course. Alternative medicine can heal the body, of course, 100%. But some illnesses, they need medical attention. So they need surgeries. This is the biggest.
Of course.
So tell us about what kind of diseases that can be cured by alternative medicine.
Alternative medicine, well, you can cure so many things from cancer to flu. That's what I say. Anything that's caused by inflammation, anything that's caused by deficiency, which these two are the main causes of all diseases, deficiencies and inflammation.
Yes.
And toxins. So if you have a lot of toxins in your body, alternative medicine will help you. If you have deficient with vitamins, deficient with minerals, deficient with enzymes, deficient with any nutrient, alternative medicine will help you. If you need surgery, of course, you'll go to the allopathic medicine.
Course. This is the quick solution. But now let's talk about herbs.
Yes.
Of course, some herbs are known here in Kuwait and even around the world, India, China, because these countries, they know a lot about herbs. The Middle East, India and China, in my opinion, they have the science of healing from herbs.
Right.
Tell us about what kind of herbs that can really heal the body.
Well, there's lots of kinds of herbs that you can use. There's soothing herbs, there's stimulant herbs, there's immunity boosting herbs, there's detoxifying herbs. There's so many kinds of herbs that you can take to benefit your body. So stimulating herbs like tea and coffee. Coffee.
Thank God it's a herb. Yes.
Well, it's a plant, yes.
It has benefits, of course. We know that.
Yes, definitely.
Yes.
Yeah, but you have to use it in moderate.
Of course, yes.
Yeah, because if you use it, if you abuse it, it will become an addiction for some people.
Yeah, yeah, like me. So this is something to talk about alternative medicine, something that we really need to educate ourselves about. And foods, they are the reason that why we get sick, because I think diabetes, this is something that we can see now every day. In every house, you have diabetes or diabetes type 2. Right. Which is a diabetes for a certain time. I'm not a doctor to talk about this, but the organs, when they have problems, the liver, the kidneys, the pancreas, all the organs, when you stop eating food, you give the body a chance to, they call it detox,
right,
reheal, or to reconstruct new cells and build. So now you have not eating bad food and also fasting. So a lot of people will be depressed to say that this life, not to eat what I like and also fasting. How do you advise them to?
Well, fasting, you usually, when you fast for your health, you usually do it gradually. So you fast first for 12 hours, then you make it for 13 hours, then you make it for 15, 16, 17, 18 hours. So you make it gradual fasting, and it will become easy. It's actually antidepressant.
Yes.
Yeah, you will not get depressed. It's a cure for depression. If you have depression, you can fast. You will feel happy. Your hormones, because when you fast, you stimulate your hormones.
Yes.
You break down and you open the channels inside your body, and your hormones will flow. And that's why you become happy.
So it's not for losing weight, it's for your body actually to heal.
You can do so many things with fasting. You lose weight, you heal, you detox.
Yes.
You do so many things.
And I am really glad to ask you this question. It's not from the producer, it's from me. So now, what's the difference between fasting as Muslims in Ramadan? We don't drink water, we don't drink anything, we don't eat. Intermittent fasting, you can drink water and it's okay to drink coffee or tea.
Right.
So is there a difference between fasting 100% or fasting only drinking water and coffee or tea?
Yeah, fasting in Ramadan, you get good deeds and good health.
Yes.
Intermittent fasting, you only get good health. So actually, complete fasting, it's better than intermittent fasting. When you fast from dusk to dawn,
yes,
like in Ramadan, you don't eat anything, you don't drink anything. It's better than intermittent fasting where you can drink water and you drink...
so the water can actually do something to the hormones or do something to... Because when I am fasting, as you said, and it's 100%, I am not feeling any bad feelings, which is antidepressant. Because I am not drinking coffee, I feel tired,
right,
but I feel all right.
Right.
So this feeling of all rightness, let's say, this is something really good for the mental health also.
Definitely.
Not only for the body.
Definitely, definitely. So many what's so-called mental illnesses can be cured with fasting. Simply.
Easy.
Easy.
What if you don't fast? You'll come back to what you felt before?
Oh, when you stop fasting?
Yes.
Well, it's like cleaning your house. When you don't clean your house, it will become dirty. You have to clean it again.
So you suggest that we fast maybe as the Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said 2 days in the week, Monday and Thursday. Because this is really the wisdom that we can take.
3 days a month, in the middle of the month.
Yeah.
The 13th, the 14th, 15th of the moon, lunar cycle.
So we can learn a lot about fasting from the Islamic religion, because really it's fascinating how we eat nowadays compared to 20 years ago and even 40 years ago. You know why? Because of now our kids, if you deprive them from the restaurant, that we can see the calories, the fats, the things that we need to really look at, it's really getting dangerous. And we should look at alternative medicine.
Yes, definitely. And Ramadan, it's I think a time to break your habits from the restaurants, because you know, many houses now they cook a lot in iftar and suhoor, so you don't need to go to restaurants and order some of that bad food.
Yes.
So it's a good time to break the habit.
To talk about bad food and now good food, what kind of food that can boost your immune system?
Immunity boosting food, there are so many immunity boosting food. Like let's say the black seed.
Black seed.
It's the best for your immunity. Turmeric, there's a curcumin in turmeric. It's the best for your immunity. Burdock, it's an herb that will cleanse your liver. It's very good for immunity. Chamomile, it's good for your immunity, yes, because it's an anti-inflammatory. There are so many herbs, and you can use to boost your...
Drink them with the food or as tea.
Yeah, you can make them as tea.
Yes.
You can take them as an herb, like mint. You
yes,
can take it as an herb.
Yes.
Yeah.
So to talk about another very important thing, cupping. Let's talk about what is the benefits of cupping. First of all, tell us about what is the procedure of cupping and their benefits and reasons.
Bloodletting cupping therapy, it's a prophetic medicine, and it's been practiced for thousands of years from many cultures. It is when you put the cups on the skin, you make a congestion, then you remove the cup and you do a little scratch to let the blood flow. you will stimulate your body and you will release the toxins that's very close to your skin. Because skin, it's one of the organs that detoxify the body. So there's many toxins under the skin. So when you put the cups and do the cupping procedure, you will benefit from detoxing, you will benefit from the blood flow, you will have irrigation for your organs, and you will have pain relief at the same time.
It's not that replacing the old blood, which we heard every day.
It's not replacing the old blood.
The clots in the blood, because I think when you see the blood,
well, sticky, yeah. The blood comes a little bit sticky.
Yeah.
And it's been proven, the bloodletting therapy, the toxins are more extracted when you take donate blood. So they did an experiment where they donated blood and they did the cupping at the same time for the same person. They went to the lab and tested, and the toxins were 7 times more with cupping therapy. So it's a really good detoxing method and health benefits.
Of course, 100%, and it's really nice to have you here in the show, Good Morning Kuwait, especially during the holy month of Ramadan, to talk about alternative medicine. Doctor, thank you so much for coming.
Thank you very much.
You are most welcome. That was Dr. Qutaibah Alfarhan, alternative medicine consultant. Now we will continue Good Morning Kuwait, but after this break, stay with us.